My name is Leila Carvajal-Erker. I'm the founder of Cocoa Supply and Chocolatier. Cocoa Supply is the distributor where we sell our products worldwide, Netherlands, US, and Australia, and all Europe. Today I would like to talk to you about our cacao fruit nectar, which is 100% cacao pulp that has been separated from the beans through a centrifuge, and then it has been pasteurized so that it becomes shelf stable, and that's also why you see it becomes a little bit more beige because of the caramelization. The flavor of the cacao nectar is a little bit citrusy, somehow reminds you a little bit of lychee, floral undertones, and even though it doesn't go directly as an ingredient into the chocolate, it has some flavor undertones that appear due to the fermentation. I hope you enjoyed it a little bit, and if you would like more information, please let us know, and enjoy your cacao.